Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yazi sesingakusho nje sifuna ukusho. Yabona kodwa uSipho Chain. Yabona kodwa uSipho Chain ugoalkeeper woLorlando Pirates. Uyibhalela owakhe umlando. Uzibhalela owakhe umlando njengoba nje lesizini isaqalile ever since umjida wafika kuOrlando Pirates. Umjida have been doing very good for Orlando Pirates. Yabo ezinye zezinto lezi esingajwayele ukuthi siyi-highlight as ama fans. But ke for me, kule season so far yabona kule season so far, even though sometimes i-defense ibuye ingamdlaleli kahle, but yena as ugoalkeeper uyakhombisa ukuthi uyi-leader umjida. Yabo mina ngokwami bengengithuka ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyalithatha ibhande ilinikeze yena imenze ukapteni emva kokuhamba kwaMbokazi. Yabo bengengithuka because umjida uyi-leader. Yabo uyi-leader ekubeni i-leader kwakhe, ama-stats wakhe mina ngokwami usengenile kwi-conversation yo-goalkeeper abavelele aseke badlala kwi-Betway Premiership, aseke badlala kwi-PSL. Yabo mhlawumbe ke wena ungangitshela nokwakho but kafethu once wawina i-league umjida, once waba nje nazo izicoco ze-league umjida kumele simnikeze udanki. Yabona nje kule season uma ayisize ngempela Orlando Pirates ithathe i-Betway Premiership, mina ngokwami kumele simfake kuma-conversation best goalkeepers abakhona la kwi-Betway Premiership. Uma usubheka uma-stats wakhe, after 20 games of a PSL season, uSipho Chain usebe nama-clean sheets ayi-14 after ama-games ayi-20. Clean sheets ayi-14, no goalkeeper have ever done that la kwi-Betway Premiership. Akekho ugoalkeeper oseke wafika kwi-level yama-clean sheets ayi-14. Yabo kulandelana uRonwen Williams uyena number 2. Yabo wathola ama-clean sheets ayi-13 nini na ku-2022-2023 season. Kwase kwabubani na kwaboBrian Baloyi. uBaloyi ke yena eyakhe wayithola ngo-1996-1997 season. Yabo lapho khona esha ama-clean sheets ayi-12 after 20 games. Yabo uKelvin Marlin lo wedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2006 wayithola ama-12 clean sheets awakhe. Sekuthi ke uRonwen Williams wathola ama-clean sheets ayi-12 futhi back in 2023-2024 season. Yabona kodwa uRonwen Williams hlezi ngibeza abantu bekhala ngokhuni, bakhala ngobani, but uWilliams naye uyazenzela umlando wakhe, because imagine le list le, imagine i-list ekanje. Yabo but ke abanye bangangitshela okunye, but ke ngokwami mina bafethu uSipho Chain usewenzile umlando. Yabo usewenzile umlando vele nizofika nithi wena Vana ulazi ibhola, wena bathi obani ngilethele ama-stats akanje, ama-clean sheets. As ugoalkeeper, i-clean sheet is one of the biggest achievement. Yabo ungangitsheli ngamagoli goalkeeper bakori, are you keeping the ball out of the net? That is the perfect stats you can have as a goalkeeper, i-clean sheet. That is the perfect stat that you can have as the goalkeeper. Tell me your favorite goalkeeper ngabe unawina ama-clean sheets ayi-14 in 20 games.